journey started in 2012. I had a very small workshop. For the first time, I was venturing into CNC machining. I did not have any prior experience. And when I said I would like to go for Haas, instead of, there were several other brands. When I visited places in Gujarat, in Pune, I realized that people are really happy about it. As my first machine, I was very skeptical as to who would give me services, because that's an American machine. But services are not required at all. It's a robust machine. What in fact they give you is the application support. Phillips has pampered us so much that when I go with a part to somebody, how much time will it take? They say first buy the machine and done. This is something where these people, they come up with the optimized time, we do the trials and then we purchase the machine. When I got my first machine, usually people talk about AMC. So I asked for AMC. He said, I suggest you AMC after I see your operation. After my first year of operation, the service team suggested that I need not take AMC. I don't require AMC. That was something that he suggested. It is earning out of the product, and the product speaks of quality.